Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Vivissimic Show. In today's video I'm going to teach you guys how to prepare goat meat pepper meat. As you can see, inside the pot I put the goat meat, pepper, Vivissimic, curry, maggi, enough pepper, salt, these are the ingredients: red bell pepper, tomatoes, onion, oil. So after cooking the meat, I remove the water, then I put oil inside the pot to fry the meat small. So you can see I'm frying the meat. I'm not going to fry the goat meat long. As you can see, it's ready. Now I'm going to add other things. I use enough pepper to cook the meat. Now I'm adding the tomatoes. The fresh tomatoes I use is the one that you can eat fresh. You can use eat these fresh tomatoes fresh. You can use it and eat salad fresh like this. So I cut some and I did not cut some. After that, I stir everything together. Then I will add sweet pepper. After adding Vivissimic curry, I will add sweet pepper, red bell pepper. The red bell pepper, I slice it to different size, round and pieces. I want the meat to look appetizer. That's why I call the red pepper in this form. So after that, I stir. After stirring, I cover the pot to cook a little. Now you can see the red meat is ready. I will add the onion. I will not allow the onion to cook long. After adding the onion, I will stir everything together. I can't wait to enjoy this goat meat pepper meat. I'm going to use wine to bring it down. As you can see, the goat meat pepper meat is ready. Very ready. If you like this channel, please hit like, comment, hit the notification bell, share to your loved ones, and don't forget to subscribe. And to all my subscribers, thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. I love you all. May God bless you. Ciao. See you in my next video. Ciao.